Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're stepping into the world of luxury travel with the all-new Lexus Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece that blends premium automotive engineering with the comforts of a five-star hotel on wheels. This motorhome isn't just about transportation, it's about redefining the way we experience journeys, combining Lexus's reputation for luxury with advanced technology and performance. From the outside, the Lexus Motorhome 2026 instantly commands attention with its sleek, futuristic design. The bold spindle grille, signature Lexus LED lighting, and streamlined bodywork set it apart from traditional RVs, giving it a refined yet powerful presence on the road. The aerodynamic shape not only enhances efficiency but also ensures a quiet, stable drive. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, creating an open and inviting feel, while chrome accents and sculpted lines emphasize the elegance you'd expect from Lexus. This is not just a motorhome. It's a statement of luxury living on the move. Step inside, and the interior is where the Lexus Motorhome truly shines. Designed with exquisite attention to detail, the cabin feels more like a luxury penthouse than a recreational vehicle. Premium leather seating, hand-finished wood trims, and ambient LED lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The spacious living area features reclining lounge chairs, a smart dining table, and a fully equipped kitchenette with state-of-the-art appliances. A high-definition entertainment system, complete with surround sound, ensures that every journey is as entertaining as it is comfortable. The rear offers a full bedroom suite with a king-size bed, high-quality linens, and ample storage space, making long trips feel effortless. Even the bathroom is designed with sophistication, offering a rainfall shower and modern fixtures rarely found in motorhomes. When it comes to performance, Lexus has engineered this motorhome to deliver both power and efficiency. It's expected to feature a hybrid powertrain, combining a robust V6 engine with electric assistance to provide smooth acceleration, strong towing capacity, and impressive fuel efficiency for its size. The ride quality is elevated thanks to Lexus's adaptive suspension system, which absorbs bumps and keeps the motorhome steady on winding roads. Drivers can also benefit from multiple drive modes, advanced traction control, and a suite of driver assist features, making even long highway journeys easy and stress-free. Noise insulation has been perfected, ensuring that passengers enjoy a whisper-quiet cabin even when cruising at higher speeds. Safety is at the heart of the Lexus Motorhome 2026. It comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras. These systems work together to give drivers peace of mind, whether maneuvering in tight parking spaces or traveling on busy highways. With advanced stability control and enhanced braking systems, this motorhome feels as safe as it does luxurious. The benefits of owning the Lexus Motorhome 2026 go far beyond its specifications. It represents freedom without compromise. Freedom to travel, explore, and relax, all while surrounded by the highest levels of comfort and elegance. Families will appreciate the practicality and space, couples will love the romantic getaway feel, and professionals can even turn it into a mobile office with its connectivity features and quiet environment. And of course, Lexus reliability ensures that this motorhome is built to last, giving owners confidence in every journey. The Lexus Motorhome 2026 is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's for those who refuse to choose between adventure and luxury, offering the best of both worlds in one incredible package. Lexus has taken the motorhome concept to a whole new level, setting a benchmark for the future of premium travel.